Project F.I.R.E is an innovative initiative focused on developing a drone-deployed system that uses specifically formulated expansive foam to combat wildfires. By encapsulating and dispensing the foam through advanced drone technology, we're aiming to provide a faster, safer, and more efficient method for wildfire suppression.
When people learn about Project F.I.R.E, we want people to realize how ideas and unique approaches could be applied to issues that we see in our everyday lives, but through technology. In other words, we want people to see how dreams and simple thoughts could overlap with technological processes, and we could create tangible approaches born from these ideas to improve the current systems or practices that we see today. And in our case, it's improving response systems to fire.
For our first project phase with NASA's USRC grant, we'll be creating a foam suppressant in the form of pellets, combined with a hopper system Ignis created by Drone Amplified to dispense these pellets.
To ensure the safety of this project, the byproducts are completely biodegradable. Sodium sulfate is one of the main byproducts. Sodium sulfate has a decomposition temperature of 1,100 degrees Celsius, and orange flames are characterized by a temperature of 1,100 degrees Celsius to 1,200 degrees Celsius, meaning that sodium sulfate byproduct will be completely decomposed of in the fire. Carbon dioxide and water will be recycled back into the environment, meaning that the byproducts of this foam will be completely biodegradable.
For encapsulating the chemical within the sphere, we have created a simple fixture model to be used with a vertical ultrasonic welder.
This is an important step we're taking into possibly revolutionizing the approach that many industries have.
When our project idea was in development, our main goal was to suppress wildfires. In other words, our project was centered around environmental issues or disasters. However, our technology delivers beyond these particular situations. Apart from wildfires, we see the devastating effects of fires in communities, war zones, accidents in residential areas, industrial areas, and more. In fact, we are currently living through situations where we are seeing the devastating effects of fire. Therefore, having our autonomous device with the ability to put out fires rapidly could be saving lives, and we could be avoiding seeing the destruction of fire.
Our final goal of our first phase is to extinguish a controlled fire with our adapted hopper mechanism.
This process involves defining specific milestones that can serve both technical progress and the operational needs of the project. We establish deadlines that keep the product development in sync with critical milestones in our areas like testing and safety compliance, ensuring that the development phases advance steadily without compromising on safety or functional benchmarks. This integration also requires regular updates and a feedback loop where insights from one part of the team can influence and refine development. For example, feedback from our fire technology specialist or chemical engineer can shape product adjustments, allowing us to remain agile while staying on track towards our objectives.
In addition, we will implement regular safety audits and inspections to ensure compliance with protocols. And then it is important to establish a clear reporting mechanism for safety incidents or near misses to continuously improve safety measures.
This is not just a one-off project. By refining the drone system and foam deployment technology, we envision a future where this solution can be adopted and integrated widely, providing a safer, quicker, and more efficient method for wildfire suppression. For the future of Project F.I.R.E, we're aiming to take this technology beyond just a proof of concept. The goal is a scalable, practical solution that can be deployed by firefighting teams on a large scale. Given the increase in wildfire intensity and frequency, we see Project F.I.R.E as a crucial tool to fight against wildfires.